Hey guys, while I'm waiting for this fire to burn down, I want to show you my one of my newest things. My own version of the tracker knife. I'm sure you've seen me make these before, but this one I think I've outdid myself. I like the way it feels in my hand, nicely balanced. The overall length is about 12, and sharp as a razor. And I like the way how it turned out. It's not a 1/4 inch, it's about maybe 3/16 thick, so it doesn't have the heft as a typical tracker, but it'll chop, it'll hack the cue and such. So, but yeah, and it's also made this companion. It's known as the basket maker knife. Normally the basket maker is made out of flint, but I did my own version out of steel. So yeah, just thought I'd share this here. So more to come.